Hi, I'm Alessandro Devigus. Welcome. If you found this page, you're probably a dentist or someone curious about how photography, video, and digital tools fit into a real dental practice. So am I, still after all these years. I consider myself an early adapter since I was a student. Back in 1985, Professor Mörmann, the inventor of the CEREC system, gave a lecture at our university. And he said something I will never forget. Imagine you, your patient, and the machine working together. This is what we call chairside digital dentistry. That was 1985. That's been my philosophy ever since. Over the years, the questions kept coming from colleagues, from students, from people on Instagram and YouTube. Good questions, the kind that deserves a real answer, not just a comment reply. So I started writing things down, recording, filming, and one day I realized this is already a library. It just needed one home. And that's what this is, the Devigus method. And the home is right here on YouTube. Most of what I publish is free. The photo Bible, the public videos, the newsletter, that's where most dentists start. If you want to go deeper, the clinical workflows, the gear deep dives, the shorts that don't make Instagram, that's behind the join button on this channel. One membership, members only videos every week. If you want me directly, there are webinars, lectures, conferences, and one-to-one workshops in my practice in Bülach, or I travel to teach in yours. However you want to start, I'm glad you're here. Voila.